Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's video, I'm going to make a vegan egg and sausage bagel sandwich. So let's go ahead and get to the ingredients. So we have our garlic, we got some white onions, bell peppers, vegan egg, this is from Just Egg, some shiitake mushrooms. We got some bagels, but this is Dave's Killer Bread. One of the unique things about their breads is that it's very high in protein. And then we have some breakfast sausages by Gardein, and this is the one we're using today. All right, and this is also a great source of protein as well. So first thing we're going to do, take some olive oil, go ahead and spray our nonstick pan, and as that warms up, we're going to just take our vegan sausages, go ahead and place this into the air fryer, just like this. Put on 15 minutes, let that cook, okay? One of the benefits of using the air fryer is that when you cook like things like this, you're going to see a lot of oil that's going to disperse out of it. So this kind of separates that oil from the sausage itself to make it a little bit healthier than it says on the packet. All right. Now, while this is going, we're going to take our vegan egg and we're going to just go ahead and pour it right into the middle, just like that. While that's warming up and cooking, we're going to go ahead and grab our iron skillet here, put this on medium heat, let this warm up, use our olive oil spray, give it a light coat just like that, and then we're going to add in and saute our bell peppers, onions, and garlic, and mushrooms. Alright, just like that. So while these are cooking, what I'm going to do is take the sauteed vegetables, let it cook for a little bit, and then add that to the omelet. The time the omelet is done, or the vegan omelet is done, is the best way to combine it, because what happens if you try to add it all together, then it's not going to blend well, it's not going to cook well. So with the vegan egg, you do want to cook it separate and let it cook through. Let the heat cook all the way through. So if we look down here, you can see it's bubbling. You don't want to flip it, just let it cook right through and it'll be perfect. And then we can add all the vegetables inside and then we can scramble it, which is going to give it that really great authentic taste, just like if you're eating like the real thing, okay? But I want to tell you the truth, this is way better than the real thing because it's super clean, super healthy, and no animals were involved. All right, you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and transfer the vegetables into the vegan omelet. So let's grab a spoon, a bigger one, just like that. I'm just going to add that right here on top. So this recipe is very similar to the vegan omelet recipe that I have in my previous video on IGTV. So if you want to check that out, you can. If you want to just have the omelet separate, let's go ahead and flip this. And don't worry about, I know in a lot of my videos, if y'all been following me for a while, I always say like don't use a metal utensil on a non-stick pan. But this is a special non-stick pan. This is called Hex Clad, I believe. I'll tag them inside the description box. But you can. This is safe for metal utensils. And it's scratch safe as well, or scratch proof. Just like that. Go ahead and turn that off. Now this should be done. Alright. So let's go ahead and take that out. Actually, there's no grease in it at all, which is it's even better. Barely any grease. Alright. So to toast the bread, just give it a nice little toast. We're going to add this into the air fryer as well. And the only thing you have to do is just keep it in there for really just a minute, 2 minutes, not too long, okay? Because this gets very hot, very fast. I think right now it's set up to like 400 degrees or 350 degrees. Yeah, 400 degrees. So yeah, let's just wait. All right, so it should be good right now. So let's pull it out. So it has a light crisp, and this is perfect because you still want it a little soft, but not too toasty. All right, unless you're that type of individual that just really like it toasty. Now, we're gonna go ahead and grab another plate so we can add the omelet in. And this is where we're gonna start building our bagel, okay? Now, if you want, you can use vegan cheese if you like. You could do that if you want to add that. This one I didn't, so we're gonna put that on top. Take the other half, do the same. And I think the last thing we should do is top it off with some sugar-free syrup. If you do the sugar-free syrup, this is the game changer right here. All right. Nice and clean. All right, y'all, so that is how you make a vegan sausage and egg bagel. So very fast, very easy to make. Took me literally about like, I don't know, I would say about like 10 minutes. But look at this, it looks amazing. Let's try it out. Super good, I love it. This is how you make this dish. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, tag your friends, and comment down below. Also, if you want to know more about the ingredients, also the macronutrients for this dish, that will be in the description box down below. But again, my name is Corinne Sutton. Hope you enjoy.